Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make natural protein powder. First, gather your core ingredients. You'll want a good base like rolled oats or cooked quinoa, along with a primary protein source such as almonds or pumpkin seeds. Don't forget natural flavorings like unsweetened cocoa powder or a touch of vanilla extract to make it delicious and enjoyable. Next, prepare your chosen ingredients. Lightly roast nuts and seeds in a pan for about 5 minutes to bring out their rich flavors. It's crucial that everything is completely dry before you start blending to prevent clumping. Then, combine all your dry ingredients in a powerful blender or food processor, ready for the next step. Now, let's blend for that perfect texture. Process your ingredients until they transform into a very fine, uniform powder. Use short pulses rather than continuous blending to prevent the mixture from getting too warm, which can affect its quality. For an extra smooth powder, sift it through a fine mesh sieve to catch any larger bits. Finally, proper storage is key to maintaining freshness. Transfer your freshly made protein powder into an airtight container. Store it in a cool, dark pantry or even the refrigerator to extend its shelf life. You can easily add 2 to 3 tablespoons of this natural powder to your morning smoothie, oatmeal, or even incorporate it into your favorite baking recipes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.